Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix 120 times zoom is not working on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. First, open the camera, or more like if you are in the camera mode, then close the background app to restart it and open once again. Then in the photo mode, right here, you have the zoom. When you select 10 times, you can still, with two fingers, slide to 120. Then, when the object is too close, let me just restart the zoom. When the object is too close, you can see that it is very blurry, and move back to improve focus. So first thing, the object might be too close. Next thing is lighting. Make sure that the room you're taking a photo in isn't dark. Then make sure that you are in the normal photo mode, because other modes may cap the zoom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.